Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today we are making plum wine, as known as Umeshu. At this time of the year, we are working on plum recipes. We call it umeshigoto, literally means plum work. I introduced you to plum syrup last week. The syrup is for a daytime drink or for kids. Umeshu is for the evening drink or for adults. Let's get started. Let's start with sanitize the jar. Pour boiling water all over and put it upside down on a rock. Leave it cool to touch. Pour in a tablespoon of alcohol into the jar. Swirl around the surface and wipe the opening with a paper towel. Discard the rest of the alcohol. Wash under the running water, changing the water several times. Pat dry and take off the stem ends using a skewer. If you find the plum with a dark spot, take away and discard. You don't have to prick the surface all over this time. Let's assemble. Layer the prepared green plum and rock sugar in the jar. The amount of sugar is determined to your taste. Traditional ratio is 1:1, but it's a little bit too sweet for me. Reduce or add to your liking. Pour the shochu and store in cool dark place for at least a year. After a year, it should look like this. The rock sugar is all melt and the color turns light amber. Let me taste. Pour over the ice. Swirl around and smells wonderful. The aroma is so refreshing and sweet, and a little bit of sourness balance everything so nice. You can enjoy the fizzy water or water to make it light. And this is my 3-year-old plum wine. The color turns dark amber and the taste is deeper. It loses the fresh aroma, but it tastes milder. Which one would you like to try? Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Please thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Go to my website for more information. Follow me on social media for daily update. And my store on Amazon is open 24/7, so check out my recommendation of ingredients and the supplies. Thanks again, and I'll see you in a week. Bye!